Welcome all. I am Assistant Professor Milan Patel from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today we will discuss about the subject elements of electrical design, chapter number 3, design a simplex wave winding. Now first of all, conditions for the simplex wave winding. The first condition is that the back pitch YB and the front pitch YF must be odd. Next condition, YB and YF may be equal or differ by 2. They may be equal or may differ by 2. So winding or the resultant pitch Y should be even number, and the commutator pitch YC is equal to Y by 2 means the resultant pitch or winding pitch divided by 2. So the winding pitch Y is given by 2C plus or minus 2 divided by P by 2, where the C is equal to number of coils and capital P is equal to number of poles. Positive sign for the progressive wave winding and negative sign for the retrogressive wave winding. Now the problem statement is that design a simplex wave winding for 13 slots, 4 pole, 2 conductor per slot in developed form, and also draw the sequence diagram.
Okay, my name is Milan Patel, MGTAL Navsari. Okay, today I will discuss sheet number 3 from subject double DD. Okay, the data is just like design a simplex wave winding for 13 slots, 4 pole, 2 conductor per slot in developed form, and also draw the sequence diagram. Okay, first of all, given data, number of slots is equal to 30, number of poles is equal to 4, and 2 conductor per slots is given. Okay, so from this data we can find total number of conductors is equal to 13 multiplied by 2 is equal to 26. So total number of coils C is equal to total conductor divided by 2 is equal to 13. Now we know the equation of winding pitch Y is equal to 2C plus or minus 2 divided by P by 2, where Y is winding pitch, C is our number of coils, P is number of poles. Okay, here positive for progressive and negative sign for retrogressive. Now I assume it is a progressive wave winding, that's why the final equation is like 2C plus 2 divided by P by 2. Now put all the value in this equation. 2C, where C is equal to 30 plus 2 divided by 4 by 2 is equal to 26 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14. This is our winding pitch Y, 14, and it is even term. That's why our first condition is satisfied. Now I have to find YF and YB from this value of Y. Okay, we know the condition for YB and YF. It must be odd. It must be odd and equal or differ by 2. Equal and differ by 2. So two possibilities are there. 8 and 6 and 7, 7. But we know that this is both are even numbers, so this is not possible. That's why we have to consider YB is equal to 7 and YF is equal to 7. So from this YB is equal to 7 and YF is equal to 7. Both are odd. So our second condition is also satisfied. From these three values, now I will draw winding diagram. Winding table. Now we know that always winding table is start from 1. Okay. Now from this column to this column we have to add plus value. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now from this to this column we have to again add y. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 22 plus 7 is equal to 29. Okay, this we know that we have 26 number of conductors and 29 is greater than 26. So we have to minus 26 from it. Again 3 plus 7, 10, 17, 24. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. Again minus 26. So this is 5, 12, 19, 26. 26 plus 7 is equal to 33. Minus 26 is equal to 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. Minus 26 is equal to 2. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. 23 plus 7 is equal to 30. Again 30 minus 26 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 plus 7 is equal to 25. 25 plus 7 is equal to 32 minus 26 is equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 30. 30 plus 7 is equal to 20 and 20 plus 7 is equal to 27 minus 26 is equal to 1 and this is our 1. So our winding table is completed. Okay, now simplex wave winding sheet number 3 develop form. Okay, first draw all the 26 conductor like this. One front conductor, back conductor, front conductor, back conductor, and then numbering is given. Upward is odd numbers, downwards is even numbers. Okay, now from winding table we have to connect all the conductors. Winding is started from conductor number 1 to 8. So first I will connect conductor 1 and 8. So this is conductor number 1, this is conductor number 8. Okay, now conductor 8 to 15. 8 to 15. This is our conductor number 50. 15. 15 to 22. 15 to this is our conductor number 22. Now 22 to conductor number 3. So this is conductor number 3. Again started from conductor number 3. 3 to 10. 10 to 70. So this is conductor number 17. 17 to 24. 24. 24 to 5. 5. Connect all the conductors like that. Okay, now from winding table these connections are made, and this one is 2 4 6 1 3 5 7. Now some connections are open still, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this number will give like the top conductor before 1 is 25. So 25, 23 and 21. Same for lower conductors. The conductor before 2 is 26. So this is 26, 24, 22, and this one last one is 20. So all the conductors numberings are completed. Now we have to give current direction. Now here total number of conductors is equal to 26 and poles is equal to 4. So it is 6.5. It is non-integer term. So we have to part it in form of integer. So I will make 4 parts. 7 7 6 6. So first 7 conductor is under n pole, next one is s pole, again n pole, s poles. So 4 poles are covered and all the conductors is also covered. So now provide current directions 7 conductors upward. Seven conductors upward, then 7 down, again 6 conductor upward, 6 conductors downward. So current direction is completed. 7 upward, 7 downward, 7 6 upward and 6 downward. Now provide poles. Now provide pole. So as we do in lap winding, one conductor at starting and one conductor at ending we left as it is. And pole. Again left this conductor and this conductor. This is S pole. Next pole number N pole. Again N, and last is so 4 poles are covered like this. Okay, now it's time to provide commutators. It's time to provide commutator. So our first coil is completed over here. So connection provide to the all the coils. Okay, now give the name to the commutators. First is commutator segment 1, 2, 13 commutators are completed, 13 coils, 13 commutator. Now find the brushes position. Okay, it is not like lap winding. We have to find position of brushes from these commutator segments. So consider commutator 1. So there are two conductors, conductor number 1 and conductor number 20. So in conductor 1 upward direction and 20 number conductor have also upward direction. 1 number had upward and 20 number has also upward direction. So give position like this, upward direction, and provide positive brush. Provide positive brush. Now at second upward and 22 is downward, not possible. Third number, conductor number 5 is upward, conductor number 24 is downward, so not possible. Again at commutator segment 4, conductor 7 is upward, conductor number 26 is downward, so not possible. Now at number 5, downward, upward, not possible. Commutator segment number 6, downward, upward, not possible. At 7, downward, upward, not possible. At 8, upward, downward, not possible. At number 9, upward, downward, not possible. At 10, upward, downward, not possible. At number 11, downward, downward. So our negative brush is here at commutator segment number 11, downward, downward. So this is our negative brush. Simply, okay, in wave winding always two brushes are there, because in wave winding parallel path is equal to 2. Always parallel path is equal to 2, and in wave winding the parallel path is equal to number of poles and brushes is equal to number of poles. So here only two brushes are there, one positive at commutator segment number 1 and second one is 11. Okay, now it's time to draw sequence diagram. It's time to draw sequence diagram. In sequence diagram, first of all draw all the 26 number of conductor, and start connecting like this and make one continuous path like this. Now provide the number to the conductor from the winding table. So give one number at second conductor. Always give one number at second conductor, and it is connected to the 20. Conductor 1 is connected to the 20 because this is a lower connection. Suppose it is upward connection, then it is connected to 1 to 8, but this is lower connection. That's why it is connected to the 20. Now again upward connection from 1 is connected to 8, so 1 to 8, 8 to 15, 15 to 22, 22 to 3, 3 to 10, 10 to 17, 17 to 24, 24 to 5, 12, 19, 26, 7, 14, 21, 2, 9, 16, 23, 4, 11, 18, 25, 6, 13 and 20 is connected over here. So all the numbering is completed. Now it's time to provide brush. Okay, now first brush is at conductor 1 and 20. So this is our conductor 1 and 20. Simply draw brush like this, and this is positive brush. So provide upward direction connected till the conductor to this brush. Both are upward because this is the positive brush. Now negative brush is at conductor number 21 and 14. 21 and 14. This is negative brush. So current direction is downward for it. Now simply provide alternate current direction. So this current will flow like downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward. Okay, so all the current direction is given like this. Okay, one another thing, we know that commutator pitch YC for wave winding is given by y by 2 is equal to 14 by 2 for this example, and it is 7. So this condition is also satisfied here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 number of coils, next brush is there. So commutator pitch equation is also satisfied over here. So this is my simplex wave winding sheet number 3 develop form and sequence diagram. This winding is used for high voltage and low current application. High voltage, low current application. Okay, so this is the drawing and this is the uses of winding. Thank you.